So good morning students. Today in this session we are going to learn about data handling, chapter 8. Dear children, first of all, what is data? See, data means information either in the form of numbers or words which help us to take decision is called as the data. Okay, information either in the form of numbers or words which help us to take decision is called the data. So whatever the information may be in the form of a pictures or in the form of a numbers or words which are help to take decision is called as data. So after collecting data, there is a one more is there. Important thing is organizing data. Organizing the data. How to organize? Organize is what? The systematic arrangement of the data which we have collected is called as organizing data. Okay, the systematic arrangement of data which we have collected is called as organizing data. So one example, children, I will tell you one example. See, for example, take 25 students in a class got the following marks in the assignments. 25 students in a class got the following marks in the assignment. 5, 6, 7, 5, 4, 2, 9, 10, 2, 4, 7, 4, 6, 9, 5, 5, 2, 4, 5, 7. Okay. So this is the data is given here. Data means what here? Some information is given here. 25 students in a class got the following marks in assignment are like this. Now what we have to organize the data and represent in the form of frequency distribution table using tally marks. So first of all, we have to organize the data. Organize the frequency distribution table using tally marks. So how to use tally marks? For example, see, so marks, one table we have to marks obtained. Next, tally marks. Next, number of students. So this is the table. Okay, tally marks obtained, tally marks, number of students. So 2 mark students, how many are here? How many are there 2 mark students here? For example, 1, 2, 3, 4. How many are there? 4 students are there. 1, 2, 3, 4. So number of students 4. Like that, next 3 mark students or 4 mark students are there. 3 marks are not there. 4 mark students, 1, 2, 3, 4. Here also 4 mark students also 4. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 marks students also 4. Okay, here also write 4. Next 5 mark students, how many are here? 5 mark students are there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 students are there. So 1, 2, 3, 4. 5 students are like the number one cross line you have to draw like this. So number of students 5. Like this you have to draw the table and you have to represent the frequency distribution table. And below some questions are there. The maximum number of students 6 got 5 marks. So maximum number of 6. Maximum number of students 6 got 5 marks. At least marks 2 was obtained by 4 students, and no students in the class got 8 marks. No student in the class got 8 marks. So like that we can use the table and we can write the answers. Okay. So one more 8.1 first question I would like to tell you, children. First bit, all of you can see the question bank. Question properly. First question, see. First question. My dear children, a child kidney bank is opened and the coins collected are in the following type of denominations. So type of coin, number of coins. Type of coins, number of coins. So type of coins, type of coin and number of coins, number of coins. So 8.1 first bit. Okay. Now type of coin means what, children? For example, see, type of coin means, for example, 50 paisa, 50 paisa. 50 paisa, how many are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, yeah, 5. 50 paisa coins. Next, 1 rupee. Next, of course, 2 rupees. Next, 3 rupees. Sorry, 5 rupees. 5 rupees coins are there. So like that, 1 rupee coins, how many are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Next, 2 rupees coins, how many are there? Only 2 are there. And here only 1 is there. Now, for this, what we have to know? We have to draw the frequency distribution of table. Frequency distribution table. So like this is your question given. So type of, let us see how to write the frequency table. Question is given. This is the question. And now answer sheet. All of you open the textbook. I can go to the answer. First I am to give the answer here. First type of coin. Type of coin. Next tally marks. Tally marks. Next number of coins. Number of coins. So type of coin, first coin almost 50 paisa. So 50 paisa coins, how many are there? 50 paise. 50 paise coins, how many are there? For example, see 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. So total number of 5. One you have to do cross line. Next 1 rupee coins, how many are there? 1 rupee coins. 1 rupee coins, for example, see there are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 1, 2. Total how many? 7 are there. Next 2 rupees coins, how many are there? 2 rupees, only 2 are there. Next 5 rupees only 1. So 1. This is the solution for the first question. Tally marks, and you have to go this 1, 2, 3, 4. One cross line you have to draw now. This indicates 1. Total number of 5. So like that, second question. The favorite colors of 25 students in a class given below: blue, red, green, white, blue, green, white, red, orange, green, blue, white, blue, orange, blue, blue, white, red, white, white, red, green, blue, blue, white. Now what we have to, this is given question. Write the distribution, frequency distribution table using tally marks for the data, which is the least favorite color for the students. So for this also, simple children, 8.1, second question. Second problem. First of all, color, and next tally marks. Tally marks. Next, number of students. Number of students. So first, which color first? Blue, red, green, white. First blue. Okay. Blue, red, green, white. First blue color, how many students are favorite color? There are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3. And that's all. Only 8 students. Next to red color 4. Only 4 students. Next to green color again 4 students. Next to white color. White color, see for example 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3. Total how many? Only 7 students are there. 7. And one more is the orange color. Orange. Orange, how many students are there? Only 2 students are there. So with this, we have finished the frequency distribution table for problem 2. So now what is the question here? Which is the least favorite color for the students? So which is the least one here? 2. Okay, 2 is the least here. Number 2 is the least here. So number 2 is the least here. Okay, so the least favorite color for the students is orange. Okay, the least favorite color for the students is orange. Okay children, so like this you can finish the question number 3 and question number 4 from exercise 8.1. Okay, thank you and have a nice day.